Hey everyone, ready to take a deep dive into the world of AI trading platforms? Thankfully, today's deep dive is based on some fantastic information from buystocks.ai, and we'll have a link for you in the description where you can even find some sweet discounts. All right, so let's kick things off with number 5, StockHero. Simplified automation for all, who wouldn't want that?
Catchy, right?
I know. So StockHero, they're all about making it super easy for anyone to automate their stock trading, even if you don't know how to code.
Yeah, their whole thing is no code, simple, accessible.
And one of the coolest things is their bots marketplace, where you can actually use bots designed by expert traders.
That is super cool.
Imagine that, having those pros in your corner, like having a co-pilot for your trades.
And the cool thing about that is it takes the emotion out of trading. Emotions can really mess up your strategy, so having something like that, automation that just executes consistently, is huge. Plus, don't forget the importance of backtesting, and StockHero lets you do that.
Backtesting is so important.
Totally, because you get to see how those strategies would have performed in the past. No risk involved.
StockHero integrates with TradingView, which is huge because that's like the platform for charting and analysis.
It's like the gold standard.
For real, so you're basically getting the best of both worlds.
It's a powerful combo.
Okay, but no platform is perfect. What are some of the downsides here?
It's fantastic for beginners. It's so approachable, but for more advanced traders.
Yeah, they might want something a little more robust.
Exactly. It might not have all the bells and whistles those pros are looking for. And the customization options are a bit limited.
Got it.
And also broker support is a bit limited, which is another thing to consider.
Okay, so great entry point, but maybe not the end game for those more experienced traders.
But now, if you're someone who wants to actually build their own trading strategies, then let's talk about EA Trading Academy.
Oh yeah, EA Trading Academy. This one is different, less about instant results and more about giving you the skills to become a true algorithmic trading pro.
Empowerment.
Yeah. So it's an educational platform. You learn how to build your own automated systems.
Which are called expert advisors, or EAs.
EAs, it sounds so official.
Yeah, and the cool thing is that those can be used across different markets, not just stocks.
Oh, wow.
We're talking Forex, crypto. It's about opening up a whole world of possibilities.
That's incredible. And you said they have a learn by doing approach, right?
Absolutely. They've got a free 21-day ultra algo program to get you started. A super cool way to learn the ropes.
I love that. And they also provide pre-built EAs that you can use as a starting point, like a template.
Yeah, it's a great way to get your feet wet without feeling completely overwhelmed.
That makes a lot of sense.
But just a little heads up, while the tools are beginner-friendly, algorithmic trading does take some time and effort.
Yeah, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme.
It's a journey, not a sprint. Like learning an instrument, you gotta practice.
Okay, I like that analogy a lot.
All about building those skills.
Awesome. So let's move on to number 3 on our list. Trade Ideas, Holly AI.
Now we're talking, imagine having an AI that analyzes over 8,000 U.S. stocks every single day to find those golden trading opportunities.
Every single day. That's intense.
That's Holly AI in a nutshell.
So it's constantly scanning the market, finding potential trades that maybe we humans wouldn't even notice.
Exactly. It's like having an extra set of eyes.
And it actually gives you those actionable trade signals and strategies.
It's not just theoretical. It's giving you specific things you can do.
Based on all that complex analysis, right?
Yep. Real-time alerts, too. So you're instantly in the loop when Holly AI spots something that fits your criteria. And here's the coolest part. They have a risk-free simulation feature. You can test out Holly AI's suggestions without actually putting any real money on the line.
Oh, that's huge. So it's like a practice mode before you go live.
Exactly. You get to see how it works, get comfortable with it before you risk anything.
That is such a game changer. But I'm guessing there's got to be a downside somewhere.
Yeah, all that power comes with a price tag.
Makes sense.
The subscription cost is pretty high, and the user interface isn't the most modern.
So it could be a bit overwhelming for beginners.
Yeah, it's definitely more geared towards those experienced traders who are willing to invest the time and money.
Okay, so a pro-level tool, but not the best place to start if you're brand new to trading.
It takes a bit of know-how to really unlock its full potential.
Now let's move on to number 2, AvaTrade AI Trading Signals.
Okay, so this one's a great balance between simplicity and power.
So for those of us who aren't quite ready for the really complex platforms,
This could be a great fit.
they're partnering with Trading Central, which is a huge name in the industry.
They know their stuff.
And they're providing these real-time trading signals for Forex, stocks, and commodities.
All in one place, and you know what else? It's built right into their platform, both the web and mobile app.
So you can literally trade on the go.
Exactly. Access to AI insights wherever you are.
I've got to say, one thing that really stands out to me is that they include predefined take profit and stop loss levels with their signals,
That's super important for risk management.
especially for beginners who maybe aren't as familiar with setting those levels themselves.
It's like having those guardrails in place.
Makes it so much easier to manage your trades and avoid those emotional decisions.
That's exactly what you want to avoid.
But I'm sure there's got to be a trade-off for all that simplicity.
Yeah, the customization options are a bit limited.
I see.
So more advanced traders might find that frustrating.
Okay, so maybe not the ultimate solution if you're looking for super customizable algorithmic trading.
But it's perfect for beginners and those who want a more streamlined experience.
So that brings us to the moment we've all been waiting for.
The #1 spot.
Drum roll, please. The top spot on our list goes to Danelfin.
AI-powered insights that could seriously level up your investment game. Danelfin, they use AI to rate stocks with an AI score, predicting which ones are going to outperform the market.
But one that's powered by data, right?
You got it. And they analyze over 10,000 factors for each stock.
Whoa, 10,000? That's insane.
I know, way more than any human could ever possibly handle.
And the results?
The results are awesome. Their AI-powered picks consistently outperform market benchmarks.
So they're walking the walk, not just talking the talk.
For real, and they've got these fantastic portfolio management tools to help you stay on top of everything.
So it's not just about the AI insights, it's about the whole package.
Exactly. Daily alerts, performance, tracking all the good stuff.
It's like having a personal AI assistant for your portfolio.
That's a great way to put it.
So it's safe to say Danelfin takes the top spot for a reason.
Absolutely. The data, the transparent AI methodology, the user-friendliness, and the proven track record, it's a winner.
And don't forget, all this amazing info is from buystocks.ai. Be sure to check out that link in the description for discounts on each of these platforms.
But here's the big question.
Are these platforms right for you?
Exactly, because it's easy to get caught up in all the AI hype, but you got to think about your goals as a trader.
That's so true.
What do you want to achieve? If you're brand new to trading,
Yeah, you're just starting out.
something like StockHero is perfect. That easy interface, those pre-built bots, it's a great starting point.
Okay, but what if you've been trading for a while and you're ready to take it up a notch with AI?
Then platforms like EA Trading Academy or AvaTrade could be a great next step.
Okay, tell me more about those.
So EA Trading Academy, it gives you the power to build your own trading algorithms.
That's next level.
You're not just relying on someone else's bot, you're understanding the how and why of the strategies.
You're really taking control.
Exactly. And AvaTrade, it offers a good balance. You get those AI signals, super user-friendly.
But you still have control over your trades.
Right. And they've got great educational resources, too.
Perfect for those who want to explore AI trading more seriously, but aren't ready to code their own bots.
Right. Holly AI, with its real-time alerts and that risk-free simulation, it's incredible.
But the interface isn't super intuitive.
Yeah, you got to know what you're doing to really get the most out of it.
Okay, and Danelfin.
AI score, the massive data analysis.
It's super impressive.
It really is. But again, it's not a set-it-and-forget-it solution.
You got to be actively engaged, making informed decisions.
AI can give you the insights, but you're still the captain of the ship.
But we got to wrap things up. Big thank you to buystocks.ai for all the awesome research.
Be sure to check out the link in the description for those sweet discounts.
Happy trading, everyone.